Gilbert is a young, sweet, medium-sized, lovable boy. He has such a cute face and calm personality. He is a good leash walker, and his favorite thing is attention. Gilbert just wants to be loved and have a home to call his own. The adoption fee is $85 and includes heartworm tests, current vaccines, spay, neuter, and microchip. Please call 256 760 6676 or come by Florence Lauderdale Animal Services to meet this handsome boy. Hendrix is a large, handsome boy weighing 90 pounds. He is good with other dogs, but not cats. This loving boy is 3 years old, and his favorite things are toys, running, and playing. This adorable dog is looking for a great home to be loved and play with his toys. The adoption fee is $85 and includes heartworm test, current vaccines, spay, neuter, and microchip. Please call 256 760 6676 or come by Florence Lauderdale Animal Services to meet this handsome boy. Newton is smart, sweet, and playful. Newton has been living the shelter life for far too long. He would love for you to come meet him or take him out for a doggy's day out. Meeting Newton, you will see how amazing he is. Please come by and meet him at Florence Lauderdale Animal Services or call 256 760 6676. The adoption fee is $85 and includes heartworm test, current vaccines, spay, neuter, and microchip.
Cha-Cha is a 1.5-year-old beautiful female mixed breed dog. She's good with other dogs, other children, but prefers no cats. This beautiful 50-pound girl would love to have an energetic family to play with outside during the day and snuggle with at night. She would love for you to meet her and even take her out on a doggy day out. The adoption fee is $85, which includes the heartworm test, current vaccines, spay, neuter, and a microchip. Please come by the Florence Lauderdale Animal Services at 256 760 6676 to meet this awesome dog. Meet Trunks. Trunks is an 8-month-old male mixed breed. His facial features are very stunning. This medium-sized dog is full of fun and personality. Trunks would love you to meet him, foster him, or just take him out on a doggy day out.